Today I am going to show you the recipe of beetroot salad, which is also called Beetachi Koshimbir in Marathi. Now the ingredients required for the same are, here I have taken 3 beetroots which I have cut into half and boiled them. I have taken salt, sugar, ground peanut powder, curd, coriander leaves, 1 chili and grated coconut. Here you can see that I have grated the beet. Now let's add the ingredients one by one. Little salt, sugar, coriander, groundnut, curd, split green chilies, and finally grated coconut. Let's mix it well. Now it's ready. Let's remove it in a serving bowl.